Section 13-1, Part 3, Finding Surface Area of Cylinders. A manufacturer is making a prototype of a collapsible laundry hamper. The hamper does not have a top. Approximately how much polyester does the manufacturer need for the hamper? To determine the amount of polyester to go around the hamper, we need to determine the surface area. Now, let's remember, we have surface area is equal to lateral area plus 2 times the base. The lateral area formula is 2 pi r times h, all of that's multiplied together, pi being 3.14, plus 2 times pi, 3.14, times r, okay? Now, in this hamper, we do not have a top, therefore we will only have one base, which is the bottom. So we will not need 2 bases, we only have one base. So we will use our formula to determine how much polyester that is needed. So I see that I have a diameter of 1.5. So your radius is equal to 1.5 divided by 2. Remember, a radius is equal to the diameter divided by 2. Your radius is half the length of your diameter. So if your diameter is 1.5, then 1.5 divided by 2 is 0.75. So every time I see r in my formula, I will use 0.75. Now my height from the highest point to the lowest point of the hamper, 90 degrees straight down, is 2 feet, okay? So using our surface area formula, we will use surface area is equal to 2 pi RH plus 1 base. We don't have a top on the, remember the instructor said the hamper does not have a top, so we don't have 2 bases, we only have the 1 base. All right, so I have 2 pi RH plus 1b, okay? So the base formula is pi r squared. That would be the area of a circle, okay? So the area of the circle is pi r squared. So I'm going to replace 1b with pi r squared. So really I have 2 pi RH plus pi r squared to find the surface area of this hamper. So I have 2 times 3.14 times my radius. We found our r to be 0.75. And our height is 2, plus the 3.14 times 0.75 squared, okay? So if we multiply all of this together, we can use our calculators to do this. So using our calculator, we have 2 times 3.14 times 0.75 times 2. I multiplied all of this together here, okay? Multiplying all that together, I'll give you time to do that. 2 times 3.14 times 0.75 times 2. I end up with 9.42. Plus, here, when you're multiplying, you always have to do your exponent part first. So I need to say 0.75 squared, or 0.75 times 0.75 times 3.14, okay? And I'm going to keep several decimal places there. 0.75 times 0.75 times 3.14. I'm going to keep 1.766, okay? And here you can even use your pi button. It might be better just to use your pi button, and then that way it'll be more precise, okay? So if we add these two together, I end up with 11.186, so I'm going to round it to 11.9. So this is approximately 11.9. So the manufacturer will need about 11.2 feet squared of polyester for the hamper. 11.2 feet squared of polyester. Remember, surface area is units squared.